Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today is some crazy busy day. I started with Scion XB. I just work on 2000 Taco. I'm getting hybrid battery for this one in like hour. And I have a new customer, Toyota Avalon XLS with approximately, 96,000 miles. So I'm doing complete inspection, and there was check engine light lit on the dashboard. So I brought my scanner. I want to show you a shortcut on your diagnostics. So the key in ignition, I'm putting it on. I'm not starting the vehicle. The mileage is 96,546 miles. And let's see what is in it. Let's see what is the trouble code. Right? This is the scan. And I already checked that. I want to just show you how you deal with this. When you have P1135, this is a simple scanner, so it goes really quickly. We have a one code of the one code, right? 01 out of 01. So we have this only one, and the correct term for this, sorry for the glare. I'm looking in the same time on scanner and on the camera. So we will see right now what is the description. At this air fuel sensor. This is AF sensor, which is on the exhaust system. It's a heater circuit response malfunction. This one, for some reason, doesn't tell me that it's a bank 1 S1. AF sensors are the sensor 1. It's upstream, so-called also. So we know there is a problem. Now, if you wanna make this easy for yourself, the diagnosis, you can follow these steps. You can continue with starting up the vehicle, which we will do right now. Let me just reach there. And to confirm if it's so-called hard code, you scan it. And I will erase it right away. And I already did that, and the code came back in like 10 seconds. I just want to show you. So look, erasing, it was successful, and I will start reading it, right? And let's see how quickly that code will show up back. Look at that. Boom. What it took, well, what did you count? What is it, 5-10 seconds? So the check engine light is back, and the code set itself really quickly. Well, what all this means? It means that that circuit on that heater, which is on that AF sensor, it's burnt. Or, and that's less likely, the wiring harness which is coming to that AF sensor is damaged. So you can either go immediately and grab one of the AF sensors from Toyota dealer or aftermarket. I always recommend you to go with a Densos. This is what I was doing on that Taco today. It was a AF and oxygen sensor. I replaced that actually here, right? This is how they look. They have those heaters, and when that burns, it will trigger that hard code. The code will come back immediately because there is complete disconnecting in that circuit. The computer, the ECM, sees it right away. There's not some little variation in the signal which is coming. No, there is a burned wire. The circuit is open, so the code will come back immediately, basically, as you saw. However, right, as I said, if you want to be absolutely clear, you first need to look at the wiring harness, but 98% of the time when you get this scenario, it's just the heater element on that sensor, and the sensor needs to be replaced. So that was something quick, very short video for you. Hopefully it will help someone. Instead of spending hours looking for online and forums and YouTube videos, you can just really quickly realize, aha, this is what's happening, and I can fix this maybe in a couple hours and be good to go. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you like it, give a thumb up, please. And stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. I will see you later, my friend.